Welcome to True Wellness Path, your trusted guide to natural health and the secrets of maintaining a vibrant, healthy body. Your kidneys are silent heroes, filtering waste and balancing fluids every single second to keep your internal system functioning perfectly. However, our modern lifestyle often burdens these vital organs with processed foods, environmental toxins, and chronic stress that we ignore. Hydration is the key to survival. But nature offers us more than just water to support our body's detoxification process. Today we are diving deep into 3 miraculous herbal teas that specifically target kidney health and enhance your natural detoxification. These ancient remedies have been used for centuries, and now modern science confirms their incredible benefits for your renal system. Join us on this journey to discover how a simple daily habit can transform your kidney health and overall well-being. By incorporating these teas, you can help reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and protect your kidneys from long-term damage naturally. It is not just about avoiding disease. It is about thriving and feeling energetic every single day of your life. Let us begin with our first powerful elixir, a ruby red drink known for its tart flavor and medicinal properties. This is hibiscus tea, scientifically known as Hibiscus sabdurifa, a plant that has been cherished in traditional medicine for generations. The part of the plant we use is the calyx, which protects the flower and contains a powerhouse of nutrients. When dried, these petals retain their potent compounds, ready to release their healing magic the moment they touch hot water. One of the most significant benefits of hibiscus tea is its proven ability to lower high blood pressure naturally and effectively. High blood pressure is a leading cause of kidney failure, as it damages the tiny filtering units within your kidneys. By drinking hibiscus tea, you help relax these blood vessels, significantly reducing the stress placed on your hard-working renal system. This effect is similar to some pharmaceutical drugs, but it comes entirely from nature without the harsh side effects. Beyond blood pressure, hibiscus is packed with antioxidants, which are essential warriors in the fight against inflammation in your body. Inflammation is the silent enemy of kidney health, often progressing unnoticed until significant damage has already occurred to the organs. Regular consumption creates a shield for your cells, preventing oxidative damage and keeping your kidney tissues healthy and functional. To prepare this healing drink, simply steep 1 or 2 teaspoons of dried petals in hot water for 5 minutes. Patience is key here. Allow the water to extract all the beneficial compounds, turning the liquid into a deep crimson. The taste is naturally tart, similar to cranberries, so adding a little honey or stevia can make it perfectly enjoyable. You can enjoy it hot to warm your soul, or serve it over ice for a refreshing, hydrating summer beverage. However, if you are pregnant or taking medication for blood pressure, always consult your doctor before adding this to your routine. Leaving the ruby red behind, we travel to the Misty Mountains to discover our second guardian of kidney health, green tea. Green tea is perhaps the most famous healthy beverage in the world, celebrated for thousands of years in Asian culture. Unlike black tea, green tea is unfermented, which preserves the maximum amount of natural antioxidants and beneficial plant compounds. The star component here is a catechin called EGCG, a powerful compound that protects kidney cells from toxic damage. Research suggests that these catechins can help prevent the formation of kidney stones and reduce the progression of kidney disease. Green tea also supports cardiovascular health, which is absolutely critical because the heart and kidneys work in close partnership. By improving blood flow and reducing cholesterol, green tea ensures your kidneys receive a steady supply of oxygen and nutrients. However, preparation matters. Never use boiling water, as it can destroy the delicate catechins and make the tea bitter. Aim for water around 80 degrees Celsius and steep for just 2 to 3 minutes to extract the perfect flavor. Drinking 1 or 2 cups daily is sufficient to reap the benefits without overloading your system with too much caffeine. The ritual of brewing and drinking green tea also provides a moment of mindfulness, reducing stress levels in your body. Some studies indicate that green tea extracts can significantly reduce the crystallization of calcium oxalate, the main cause of stones. It is a fantastic alternative to coffee, providing a gentle energy boost without the jitters or the crash later on. Be mindful not to drink it on an empty stomach if you have a sensitive digestive system, as tannins can irritate. Now, as the day winds down, we turn to our third and final herbal remedy, the gentle soother, chamomile tea. Chamomile is famous for relaxation, but you might be wondering how exactly this flower helps your kidneys function better. The connection lies in stress reduction. Chronic stress releases cortisol, a hormone that strains your kidneys and increases blood pressure. Poor sleep denies your body the critical time it needs to repair tissues and flush out toxins accumulated during the day. Deep sleep is the golden time for kidney recovery. Chamomile helps you achieve this state by calming your entire nervous system. It contains apigenin, an antioxidant that binds to specific receptors in your brain that may promote sleepiness and reduce insomnia. Brewing chamomile is simple. Use about 1 tablespoon of dried flowers per cup and let it steep for 5 minutes. Inhale the steam while it brews. The aroma alone can start to signal your brain that it is time to relax. Drink this tea about 30 to 60 minutes before bed to allow the calming effects to fully take hold of you. By ensuring a good night's sleep, you are directly giving your kidneys the best opportunity to heal and maintain their efficiency. These 3 teas, hibiscus, green tea, and chamomile, offer a powerful triad of support for your renal health and overall longevity. Incorporating them into your daily routine is a small step that can lead to significant long-term improvements in your health. Remember, while these teas are beneficial, they are not a replacement for medical treatment prescribed by your healthcare professional. Also, do not forget that plain water remains the most important fluid for flushing your kidneys and keeping you hydrated. Combine these herbal teas with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and adequate hydration for the ultimate kidney care strategy. Nature has provided us with incredible tools to heal and protect our bodies. We just need to use them wisely. Hibiscus to manage your blood pressure and fight inflammation with its vibrant red color and tart, refreshing taste profile. Green tea to protect your cells with catechins and support your heart health, keeping your circulation strong and steady. And chamomile to soothe your mind, reduce stress hormones, and ensure your kidneys get the rest they need to recover. Sharing these healthy habits with your loved ones can create a ripple effect of wellness throughout your entire community. Listen to your body. It knows what it needs. Give it the natural support it craves and watch it thrive. Think of your kidneys like this stream. Keep the water flowing, keep it clean, and life will flourish around it. Consistency is the secret. A cup of tea once a month won't change much, but a daily ritual will. Start small. Choose one of these teas that resonates with you the most and introduce it into your routine today. There is a vast world of natural remedies waiting to be explored, and we are here to guide you through it. Always choose high-quality, organic teas to avoid pesticides, which would defeat the purpose of detoxifying your body. Whenever possible, opt for loose-leaf tea. It generally contains higher quality leaves and fewer microplastics than standard tea bags. Make your tea time a sacred ritual, a moment to pause, breathe, and disconnect from the chaos of the digital world. Visualize the healing energy of the tea nurturing your kidneys, washing away toxins, and restoring balance to your inner ecosystem. Just as rain cleanses the earth, these herbal infusions cleanse your body, leaving you feeling refreshed, lighter, and more alive. Your body works tirelessly for you every second. It deserves your care, your attention, and the best fuel nature provides. Science and tradition meet in these simple cups of tea, offering a safe path to wellness for almost everyone. It is never too early or too late to start caring for your kidneys. The best time to start is right now. Reconnect with the earth. Let the plants heal you. Trust in the wisdom of nature that has existed for eons. As we finish our cup today, ask yourself, what small change will you make to honor your health this week? Challenge yourself to replace one sugary drink a day with one of these herbal teas and observe how you feel. You can even brew a large batch in the morning and take it with you, ensuring you stay healthy on the go. Try to avoid adding refined sugar as it causes inflammation, which would counteract the anti-inflammatory benefits of the tea itself. If you need sweetness, rely on natural options like stevia leaves or a small amount of raw, organic honey instead. Every sunrise brings a new opportunity to make better choices. Your health journey is a marathon, not a sprint. Movement helps circulate these beneficial compounds throughout your body, delivering them exactly where they are needed most for repair. When your kidneys are happy, your skin often glows too, as toxins are efficiently removed internally rather than through your pores. Finding balance is difficult, but rituals like tea drinking anchor us and remind us to prioritize our physical vessel. Let the strength of the trees and the purity of the flowers inspire you to build a stronger foundation for health. If you found this information valuable, please consider sharing this video with someone you care about who needs to hear it. Don't forget to subscribe to True Wellness Path and hit the notification bell so you never miss our health updates. We would love to know, which of these 3 teas are you most excited to try? Tell us in the comments. Your experiences and stories inspire our community to keep growing and learning together on this path to true wellness. Remember hibiscus for its pressure-lowering power and its incredible ability to fight inflammation with every delicious sip. Remember green tea for its cell-protecting catechins and its holistic support for both your heart and your kidneys. And remember chamomile for the peace it brings, allowing your body to enter the deep rest mode required for healing. These are not just beverages. They are liquid tools for longevity, vitality, and a happier, healthier life for you. The journey to health is vast and ongoing, but with the right knowledge, you can navigate it with confidence. Let nature be your compass. Let your body be your guide. And let us be your companion on this road. Invest in your health today, just like planting a tree, so you can enjoy the shade and fruit in the future. Thank you for trusting us with your time today. We are honored to be a part of your wellness journey. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos where we will explore more superfoods and natural remedies that are easily accessible. Before you go, why not pour yourself a glass of water or brew a cup of tea right this moment? Here is to your health, to your kidneys, and to a life filled with energy, balance, and natural harmony. May your days be as calm as chamomile, as vibrant as hibiscus, and as refreshing as green tea. Take care of your body, for it is the only place you have to live. Treat it with love and respect. We base our content on scientific research to ensure you get the most accurate and safe information possible. This has been a production of True Wellness Path. We are dedicated to illuminating the natural path to a better you. We truly appreciate you watching until the very end. Your attention to your health is the greatest reward for us. Check out these other videos on our channel to continue learning about how to detoxify and strengthen your body. Knowledge is power. The more you know about your body, the better you can protect it against illness and aging. Nature is vast and full of secrets. We promise to keep bringing you the best of nature's wisdom every week. As we close this chapter, remember that wellness is a journey of 1,000 steps, taken one day at a time. Be patient with yourself. Healing takes time. Trust the process and trust the natural ability of your body to recover. Thank you for being part of our community. We look forward to seeing you in our next video with more health insights. Follow us on our social media channels for daily tips and inspiration to keep you motivated on your wellness path. Never forget that your health is your most valuable treasure. Guard it, nurture it, and cherish it every single day. Until next time, stay hydrated, stay healthy, and keep walking the true wellness path. Goodbye and take care.